Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see some planets where life may exist. Let's start. One in 200 stars as habitable Earth-like planets surrounding it. Then in a galaxy of a billion stars have Earth-like planets going around them. Then it is not wrong to say that when we look at the night sky, it makes sense that someone is looking back at us.
In this video, we are going to see about Proxima Centauri b. Proxima Centauri b, also known as Alpha Centauri, is an exoplanet orbiting the habitable zone of the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri. It is the nearest star to the Sun, located approximately 4.2 light years from the Earth, in the Centaurus constellation, making it the closest known exoplanet to the solar system. It is named so because its Latin meaning means the nearest of Centaurus. The discovery of the planet was announced in August 2016. The planet was found using the radial velocity method. Proxima Centauri b orbits the star at a distance of 75 lakh km and with an orbital period of approximately 11.2 Earth days, and it is estimated that the mass of the planet is least, that is 1.2 times of that of the Earth. Like many Earth-sized planets, Proxima Centauri might have icy composition like Neptune with an atmosphere consisting of hydrogen and helium. The planet has an equilibrium temperature of 234 Kelvin or minus 39 degrees Celsius or minus 38 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is colder than the Earth's temperature, that is 255 Kelvin. The planet orbits around red dwarf star named Proxima Centauri. The temperature of the star is 3042 Kelvin and is 4.85 billion years old. Even though it is the closest star to the Sun, it is not visible to the unaided eye or naked eye from Earth because of its low luminosity, and it requires us a telescope to see it. The exoplanet is orbiting in the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri, the region where, with correct planetary conditions and atmospheric properties like liquid water, may exist on the surface. In 2016, researchers at CNRS, France Centre National de la Recherche Scientifique, stated that there is a considerable change of the planet's surface, having oceans and a thin atmosphere. If water and atmosphere are present, a far more hospitable environment would result, consisting of nitrogen and carbon dioxide would result in the temperature similar to our Earth. Even though Proxima Centauri b is in the habitable zone, the habitability of the planet has been questioned because of several hazardous physical conditions, like might have been tidally locked in this case, and it is expected that any habitable areas here due to temperature makes the surface water to exist, and if the planet orbital curve or eccentricity is zero, it could result in synchronous rotation with one side hot permanently facing the star, and while the opposite side in permanent darkness in freezing cold. And another problem could be the flares released by Proxima Centauri could have eroded the atmosphere of the planet, but however, if it had a strong magnetic field, the flare activity of its parent star would not cause a problem. The planet should be within the reach of the vision of telescope and techniques that could reveal several more about the composition and atmosphere, if any. If the atmosphere is present, longer wavelength of incoming radiation of red dwarf star makes the cloud information on a day side will be difficult and resulting more clear sky than the Venus or Earth. The first indication of the exoplanet were found in 2013 by Michael Twomey from archival observation data of University of Hertfordshire. To confirm the discovery, a team of astronauts landed the Pale Red Dot project in January 2016. On August 24, 2016, the team of 31 scientists from all around the world, led by William Anglera Escude, confirmed the existence of Proxima Centauri b. In 2017, breakthrough initiatives and the European Southern Observatory collabed to enable and implement a search for habitable planet in nearby star system and decided to launch an interstellar probe by the year 2069 to study the exoplanet. In this unanswered question, if life exists elsewhere on Earth drives our curiosity to push the frontiers of current scientific thought and endeavor. If extraterrestrial beings do exist somewhere in this ocean of seeming emptiness, and hope that we share the same thirst of knowledge. Meanwhile, we can only try to capture the beauty of the nature as it takes us on a cosmic scale. Viewers, please do share your views about Proxima Centauri in the comments.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe. Until then, expect beyond science.